Not gonna lie to you guys, I'm kind of digging this whole MVM Market Vibe Monday type of thing, y'all know? Welcome back, you guys, to our channel, Market Vibe, where we teach you digital marketing, social media tips to help your business in under 5 minutes. So I don't know if you guys saw, but we're on part 3 of our wisdom series. If you missed the first 2 videos, go back to last week's Monday and Wednesday, where we're talking about the Wisdom social audio app. So it's brand new, and today we're at part 3 of the series, and I want to give you kind of 5 things to think about, ways to grow on Wisdom if you're looking to grow your network, but especially if you're looking to grow your business, which is honestly why we're on the app, and I know a lot of people are, so we want to give you those 5 tips. So the first thing is, and I know you hear a lot of people say this with social audio apps, is it's not about selling, it's about serving, but it's really never been more the case than with Wisdom. Unlike Clubhouse, where kind of, they give the stage for people to be able to promote what they're selling, Wisdom is a one-on-one conversation, and people in the audience are listening. And so if you're constantly selling your services or talking to people about your services, people aren't going to want to hang around your room because they're not there to be sold or pitched to. They're really there to learn something from you. And so really think about that. Number 2 is you're going to have to get really good at actively listening. And I'm totally guilty of this with Clubhouse. I think we've become passive listeners where we're in a huge group setting, and so we don't really have to pay 100% attention the whole time. So we kind of go in and out of the conversation. But Wisdom, it's one-on-one. So if you're not 100% engaged in the conversation, the other person that you're talking to is definitely going to feel that, as well as the audience. And so if you want retention, if you want to grow on Wisdom, you have to be actively listening. The third thing kind of ties in with active listening, which is asking great questions. If you're going to be talking to one person for 5, 10, 15, 30, 60 minutes, then you're gonna have to be really good at asking questions. You're gonna have to be good at finding out what people are passionate about, what really drives them, because that's what gets people talking. So asking really great questions is something that's paramount on Wisdom. The fourth thing, and this isn't necessarily a tip, but something to pay attention to, is look at your mentorship coins. Now, if you've got a gold check, you'll see mentorship coins in your setting. Mentorship coins are paid out based on how long people are listening to your room. So if you wanna know, did a talk do well? Did I do well? Did these guests vibe with the people listening? Look at how many mentorship coins each talk accumulated for you, because that's really going to let you know what topics interest people, what guests interest people, and it'll let you know kind of how to tailor those to be able to get the most impact and change for people. And then the last thing is build collaborative relationships. Have people on your show, have guests specifically for specific time slots, because again, like we said, the more people in your room, the more that people are listening, the longer that they're listening, the higher it's going to push you in the algorithm, the closer it'll put you to the top of the best of talk, which all helps you grow on Wisdom. So think about collaborating with people. Is there someone you can do a 15 or a 30-minute talk with? Is there a 2-hour segment that you could do on Instagram and you could bring in 3 or 4 different experts? Just think about different ways you can use Wisdom to collaborate with people, to bring people into your room, to go into other people's rooms, because it's not just about you, it's about supporting other people as well. So that last tip is really collaborate with people and find different ways that you can utilize each other's talks to be able to gain retention and to be able to grow on Wisdom overall. So I want to go through those again with you. So it's not about selling, it's about serving, it's about active listening, asking great questions, paying attention to the mentorship coins. And then the last thing, and the most important honestly, is collaborate with other people, because that's what Wisdom is all about. Because when we share our wisdom and our knowledge and our collaborated efforts with other people, I think that we all grow exponentially. So thank you guys so much for joining us on our 3-part Wisdom series. I hope that this was helpful. If you guys have any Wisdom tips, any questions, any knowledge that you want to share with the rest of the community, drop them in the comments below. As always, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, because we do videos every Monday and Wednesday just like this. So until next time, see you guys later.